Welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In this video, I am going to explain about the addition of fractions. In the last videos, if you have not seen that, you can see it's regarding the types of fractions and how to convert mixed fraction to improper and improper to mixed, and also how to write ascending and descending orders. Okay. In this video, you are going to learn about how to add the fractions, addition of fractions. Students, now you can see that in addition of fractions, you have to keep in mind there are different types of questions they may give. For example, if the denominators are same and if the denominators are changed, how to do? So separately I will explain this. So let's see. First example I will give. When the denominators are same, how we can do? Let's see here. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Students, you can see here the denominators are same. Okay, when the denominators are same, addition is very simple. We have to write the denominators as it is 5 and 5, because if you find the LCM of the 5 and 5, you will get 5 only. So we have to write 5 as a common number here, and then we have to add numerator plus numerator. Here numerator plus numerator. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 will get 5 and denominator 5. Friends, this is the answer. Again, if you can simplify, you can simplify this one, because 5 and 5 are in both are in same table. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. The answer is 1 by 1 is equals to 1, because when 1 is there in denominator, we should not consider that 1. We have to write the numerator. For that reason, we have to write. Students, answer is 5 by 5. It is also correct. Then if you cancel, you will get 1 by 1. This is also correct. Actually, final answer is 1. It is depend upon the options. In the 4 options, so what answer they will give, that you have to find out. Okay, students, this is how to do when the denominators are same. One more time I will tell you. When the denominators are same, we have to add numerator plus numerator. Numerator plus numerator. When the denominator is same. Students, when the denominators are changed, how we can do? So next time, let's do that when the denominators are changed. Students, you can see here I have written one more example. In this, you can observe the denominators. The denominators are changed. First example I have told you about when the denominator is same. In the second example, denominators are changed. So at this time, how we can do the addition? So let's see here. If the denominators are changed, we have to find out the first. We have to find out the LCM of the denominators. You have to remember that LCM of the denominators. Then we have to make equalize to the numerator. So let's find out the LCM of denominators. 4 and 8. So here 4 and 8 are there. So you know that how to find out the LCM. First you have to take 2, means smallest prime number, and you have to check whether these numbers are there in 2 table or not. If it is there, you have to divide. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next 2, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Then find this all multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we got here LCM 8. How much we got LCM? 8. If the LCM is 8, now we have to check here. In 4 table, 8 is there or not. Okay, students? In 4 table, 8 is there or not, we have to check. 4 how much is 8? 4 how much is 8, students? 4 2s are 8. So the same number we have to multiply with the numerator. This is important. 4 how much is 8? 4 2s are 8. With the same number we have to multiply with numerator. Friends, now next this one. 8 how much is 8? 8 1s are 8. Now from the same number we have to multiply with numerator. 1. Now next step is we have to multiply these numerators. Friends, 2 into that number which we got to make the LCM. So 2 2s are 4 plus 4 1s are 4. So students, you can see now write LCM 8. Here 4 plus 4, we got 8. Now it's simple, 8 by 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. We can write only 1 is the answer. Okay students, now this is how to do when the denominators are same. The same example, one more example I will explain you. And here you have to remember this one. And one more thing you have to remember, when you are multiplying 4 how much the 8. When you are multiplying, that time you have to think that if the 8 is not in the 4 table, what you have to do? That time you have to check your LCM. Understood? Okay, so let's see the next. Okay, students, let's see one more example that is also same when the denominators are changed. Students, let's see. Here I have written one question, 3 by 5 plus 8 by 7. So already I told you when the denominators are same, we can do easily, but when the denominators are changed, what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM of these denominators. So here one more thing, remember this, 5 and 7 are there in the denominators. If both numbers are prime numbers, you can write the LCM directly. Means you can multiply these numbers, 5 7s are 35. Only if the numbers are prime numbers, then you can do this method. Okay, you can check there. Here you can check by doing LCM. Here 5 ones are 5, 7 ones are 7. Again 5 7s are 35. So I have told you when the numbers are prime numbers, you can do directly. So we got here LCM 35. Now we have to equalize 5 how much is 35. We have to check. 5 7s are 35. So the same numbers will go over here and it will multiply by numerator. 7 how much is 35? 7 5s are. This number we have to write here 5. Now we have to multiply these numbers. 3 7s are 21, 8 5s are 40. Now 21 plus 40 we have to do addition. 61 by 35. So the answer is 61 by 35. Is it possible to cancel? It is not possible to cancel, but you can write this in mixed fraction. How you can write? You have to divide 61 divided by 35. So 35 ones are 35, 35 to the 70. 70 is bigger than 61, so I have to take 35 ones are 35. Here 11 minus 5, 6, 6 1 4, 2. Here we have to write quotient and remainder we have to write here in the numerator part. Remainder is 26 and here 35. One integer 26 by 35 is the answer. Okay students, I hope you all understood this one. This is how to do when the denominators are same. Now one more example I will show you when the numbers are in mixed fraction. So when the numbers are in mixed fraction, how to do? Let's see in the next problem. So students, let's see next example. That is when they have given mixed fraction, how we can do the addition. So very simple. First we have to convert that mixed fraction to improper fraction. Then we have to think the denominators are same or not. After that we have to do addition. So let's see here. First one is we have to convert this to mixed fraction to improper fraction. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, it becomes 5 by 2 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 by 4. Now we got, now next step what we have to do, we have to find out the LCM of the denominators, but because the denominators are changed here. So what is the LCM of the denominators? 2 and 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 into 2, the LCM is 4. So we got here LCM is 4. So 2 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. From same number you have to multiply the numerator. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. From same number you have to multiply with the numerator. Now here 5 2s are, you can see this numerator 5 2s are 10 plus 14 1s are 14. So 10 plus 14, it becomes 24 by 4. So 24 by 4 is the answer. After that we have to simplify. It is possible. Is it possible to simplify or not? If it is not possible, you can write in mixed fraction also. So you can cancel this one. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. So we got here 6 by 1 is equal to 6. So answer is 6. So students, I hope you all understood. One more example I will show when they have given whole number and one whole number and one fraction. So let's see that example. Students, see one more example I have taken. 8 plus 2 by 4. One whole number is there and one fraction is there. So don't get confused here. First we have to write nothing is there means we can take 1. 8 by 1 plus 2 by 4. Now here we have to find out the LCM of 1 and 4. You will get 4 here LCM. Now 1 how much is the 4? 1 4 is the 4. The same number you have to write here. Here 4 how much is the 4? 4 1s are 4. Same number you have to write here. Now 8 4s are 32 plus 2 1s are 2. Okay friends. Now 32 plus 2 becomes 34 by 4. Now is it possible to cancel? Just think. If it is not possible, you can write in mixed fraction. So from 2 you can divide. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are. We got here 17 by 2. 17 by 2. Now this we can write in mixed fraction. 17 divided by 2. 2 8 is 16. 1. So you can write here answer 8 integer 1 by 2. Again you can check 2 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 17 by 2. So students, this is how to solve. In this video I will explain you all types, means when the denominators are same, when the denominators are changed, and when one whole number is there and one fraction is there. Students, now one question I am going to write there. Just you have to solve that answer and you have to comment me. That question is this is for you students. You have to do this answer and you have to tell me this answer through comment. You have to comment with this answer. So I am going to write a question. 2 integer 2 by 7 plus 3 integer 2 by 11. So students, if you solve this, you have to comment with this answer. Just think that this is homework for you. And if you get perfect in this, you have to practice all these types. You can practice 10 sums. Okay friends, I hope you all understood this one. In next video, I will come with subtraction of the fraction. Okay. If you understood all this, you can like and you can share to others. Thank you students.